All right, let's dive into chemistry. We're going to break down the essentials of how substances actually change.
So what's the connection? Well, they're both going through a chemical reaction. It's happening all around us.
Okay, so how do you even know a reaction is happening? Just look for these 5 telltale signs.
Basically, a chemical reaction is just atoms rearranging themselves to make something totally new. Simple as that.
So your starting ingredients are reactants, and what you end up with, those are the products.
But how do chemists actually write this stuff down? Well, they need a universal shorthand. Enter chemical equations.
Think of it like a recipe. It's chemistry's shorthand for showing what goes in and what comes out.
And here's the golden rule. You can't lose atoms. Both sides of the equation have to match up.
Let's walk through it. You write the basic equation, count up the atoms, and then balance everything out.
Okay, we can write them now. But what kinds of reactions are there? Let's check out the main types.
First up is combination. This one's easy. 2 or more things combine to make one new thing.
A classic example, burning coal. That's just carbon plus oxygen making carbon dioxide. See? Simple.
And the total opposite is decomposition. Here, one compound breaks down into simpler parts. It's just splitting up.
Like when you heat limestone, it breaks down into quicklime and carbon dioxide gas. Super important process.
Next, we've got displacement reactions. It's like a dance partner swap where a pusher element cuts in.
So here, the more reactive iron literally boots the copper out of the copper sulfate solution.
Then there's double displacement. It's when 2 compounds just swap ions, making 2 totally new things.
All right, now let's see how these reactions work with some major players: acids, bases, and metals.
Okay, acids and bases. They're basically chemical opposites, right? With totally different properties.
But what's cool is that both can react with metals to make hydrogen gas. You know, the stuff that pops.
Speaking of metals, they're in a class of their own. Just look at how different their properties are.
So how do we know which metal will win that dance partner swap? It all comes down to reactivity.
And you're probably wondering how to remember all that. Well, chemists have a clever little memory trick.
This helps you remember the reactivity series. A metal higher up can always kick out one below it.
So, these simple rules, they build everything from you to the stars. The question is, what will you do with it?